The Jaden Fever has reached Mindanao. Patunay dyan ang mainit na pagtanggap kina James Reid at Nadine Lustre sa Festival of Colors sa Dapitan City. Jaden, anong ganap? Sinamantala ng tambalang Jaden ang pagkakaimbita sa kanila sa Fantasyland at Dapitan sa probinsya ng Zamboanga del Norte. In-enjoy nila ang magagandang tanawin at mga exciting activities ng lugar kaya para na rin silang nagbakasyon sa gitna ng kanilang showbiz commitments.
It's so beautiful, really. In Dakak. It's really
Alright, well, sa zipline, this is yung zipline na na-try namin yesterday. That's the longest in Asia. Plus, super taas niya. Super haba niya, super taas pa niya. Eh ako, I have a fear of heights. I have acrophobia.
Let's do this. I'm ready, so let's do this.
I'm not ready!
Go. The parade was really fun. Some of the floats were really cool, like the ones with the lights and everything. It was, yeah, the costumes were amazing, and there was a lot of dancers. And the fireworks, everything. It was really great.
Nagmistulang prinsipe at prinsesa naman sina James at Nadine nang sumama sila sa parada ng Festival of Colors.
Yay! Finally! Tapos na kami sa bagong attraction ng Glorious Fantasyland, yung Festival of Colors. Ayan, kita nyo naman yung mga costumes sila. Sobrang ganda, di ba?
At nang mag-perform na ang dalawa sa entablado ng Fantasyland, ay halos hindi na magkarinigan ang lahat sa hiyawan ng kanilang Sambongueño fans.
Daghang salamat mga Dapitanon. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami dito. I mean, hindi pa kami nakakalis pero gusto na namin. Ako gusto ko nang bumalik. Di ba nang back?
Yeah, for sure we're coming back. The place is so beautiful, and we had so much fun. Thank you for showing us a good time.
Para laging updated sa mga ganap ni na James Reid at Nadine Lustre gaya ng kanilang Dapitan Adventures, ugaliing manood ng #Jaden sa Viva Home of the Stars. At abangan ang kanilang much-anticipated third movie, ang Para sa Hopeless Romantic. Malapit na!